Hi guys, so I'm back with this week's video. Today we are going to analyze about Nifty and Bank Nifty. What is my views on them for the coming week? So let's see what is Nifty going to do. So if you see the last month, that was of September, the entire month had a very bearish candle over here on the month of September, and with October coming into the place, the entire month, or we can say we are half done with this month, and the market is in a bullish shape. Why? Because it shows us right now is green. The resistance of our market still stays at the high of this candle, that is 11,433. Let us just make 11,433. Now, until and unless the monthly candle does not close above this bar, I would not still say it's bullish market, because if you see in the month of August, in the last day, the entire rally was taken over, and the bears of this particular March month made sure that candle does not close above this bears area, that is resistance area, and in the March of September they closed the market in very much below the resistance area. Now this month we are still bullish, but we are still 15 days or 13 days away from the end of the month. Market can again pull down and closed below this resistance area. So this is currently my monthly view on this Nifty. Let's go a little bit into zoom in, that what is going to do in particular weekly time frame. So weekly time frame tells me is that the resistance of Nifty may come into place in this particular closing area of this engulfing candle. The closing is 12 to 48.25, that is 12 to 48.25. Let's be more totally precise over here. So what is going to happen is that market might test this particular areas of 12 to 48.25, and then the market may enter into some pressure. Let us go deep into the daily time frame. Now if we see on daily time frame, we had a gap out here on gap down on 24th February 2020. This gap which was the opening of 12,012.55 12.55 to be very precise, the opening, and the openings, the gap opening and the previous day's closing or low could be the resistance for the gap down concept, where on Thursday market opened and it gave a very huge bearish pressure. The external factor could be anything, but if you see, the resistance was well known by the traders, which they took a very good advantage of having a minor gap up market. If you see, the market closed, the high was around 1997.20 and the opening was 12,023.45. so they had a very nice gap up early morning, which giving a false breakout where traders got trapped over here, and the entire day there was bearish market. Now where could the market take a support? The market could take a support as of now is in the high of this. Let me change the color to black, and the high is 11,618 18.10. This could be one support, and the other support for us is the closing of this bar. This particular bar, we have a nice huge gap up where the bulls have taken care. So the closing is 11,503.35. So what can happen next is there are two possibilities. Market can go back and test this areas of 12,001, 12,055 and may give a breakout and test 12,248. After that, if you see, we don't have much data. The market might, if it even breaks out, I don't see much upside out here. Is approximate around the high of this candle is 12 to 30.05. So I would suggest traders not to be very long in the market as of now, because if the selling comes over here, and as I said that my monthly resistance is this area of 11,433, that is this monthly resistance. Let me type for you over here monthly. So within say a week or so, if the market gives a false breakout and within 2-3 days there is a huge panic selling, and if Nifty in the end of the month is able to close below it, then the pressure will start. It will give a small retest back here, and I could see the first targets coming to this particular doji small bar, that is the closing of 11,247.65. that could be our first target after selling it from 11,433. Just a second, guys. So, and then after that, it giving a breakout again and again retesting it, and then the next target would be our this club bar of the closing of 11,050, 11,015 areas. So I would say that traders be cautious in the Nifty as of now, because the upside can be a trap where a lot of good stock might be, trying to exit. The new bulls, I would be only if Nifty able to cross above this particular high which I mentioned over here, 12,440 areas. Let me change the color for you. Let me make it bright blue. Oh sorry, it's already there, a red color. And market again retesting this area where resistance turns into support, and then I would start taking new positions in the stock where market can take a new rally. As of now, we are in a very jumbled up situation because we have major selling pressure areas already being active, which we have already seen in this particular bar, where the sellers who started shorting when the COVID-19 was major news in the month of March, and we are already having a little bit of panic over here because of the economic crisis and everything. So guys, make sure that whatever you do, take care. Let's see Bank Nifty. What is Bank Nifty right now? So let's go for the monthly right now. What is the Bank Nifty doing? So again, Bank Nifty had an engulfing candle in the month of September, and right now if we just take a little bit of support and resistance of the monthly high low. So if we see the month of October is already having a bit of start in the pressure exactly from the previous month's high where the selling pressure had begun. So let us keep that as our support and resistance as of now for the monthly basis, and let's go on weekly. Weekly, what we can see is we had a resistance of this close of this candle. Let me make the color for you red. The close is exactly closing is 25,166.45 to be precise, and the selling pressure exactly began from there. Then we had a week starting with the positive, which giving a nice candle closing above the previous week, and we had a little bit of small rally going on, so which makes us have a two connecting point for the uptrend trend line as of now. So let's just plot it over here, and we have one more 0.1 and 2 giving a nice uptrend channel, where let's go a deep little bit into the daily to just keep this entire channel, which we can see a small support areas of the Nifty out here, and a little bit of it was a bit of in a range. It gave a breakout, and it was supposed to give a bit of support at this resistance line, but did not, and it just went down. But if you see the same trend line, the horizontal resistance line is now trying to give support to the Bank Nifty. So what would I suggest is a small cross trend line out here, because we have already one touch, two touch. Nifty, Bank Nifty, sorry, I would like to go long again. I would like to go long if Nifty closes above this particular zone of 24,278, and then give a small pull back to this areas, and I will start accumulating Bank Nifty here a bit, and for the first target it would be around 25,166, and when the market gives a breakout and again the resistance convert into support around this areas of 25,250, I would start buying heavily Bank Nifty for the targets of 2,800 areas. Where exactly is this areas of our supply zone might come into resistance of this area might come into active that point of time. We have a small resistance out here too, which is exactly where I have drawn this areas. So just let me be more precise in the area. So this areas can be a bit of worrisome. So let's see what Nifty does. As of now, it's in a very a small zone between 24,278 to 23,150. So I would wait for a clear indication, because Nifty right now looks in bit pressure, and Bank Nifty is looking into bit bullish. So let's see which index drags the market into which direction. On the flip side for the Bank Nifty is that I'm not still very bearish, because until unless this trend line is not broken, and we still have supports in this area and another support at this area, until unless this support areas are not broken, Bank Nifty right now is in bit stable hand, and with HDFC Bank giving a fabulous results, I think so Monday we could have a nice gap up opening in the market, and let's just see what happens then. Till then, I have given you my views on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Hope this helps, my friend. The next video I'm going to make in just few minutes are the new 3 stocks, and as per my friend's request, they wanted me to analyze the previous stocks that I had given. So I will do that and post it and then share it with you guys. Till now, at least you all can see the analysis of my Nifty and Bank Nifty. Please do subscribe, comment, hit the bell icon, and subscribe my Telegram channel if you all like it. And please do share with your friends if you like my analysis. Thank you very much for this video.